Good morning, guys. Once again, I welcome you back for the good analysis on gold. And my name is Alex, and today we will be talking about fundamental and technical analysis on gold for the Tuesday market. So, like till now, before the London session, we have seen gold has made a very minimal movement between the range of 2507 and 2500. Okay, so right now, as we can see, 2500 is the psychological support level above which gold is staying. And also yesterday, if you remember, we have drawn the Fibonacci levels for this wave. Okay, for this drop we drawn. So here is the 50% Fibonacci retracement from which the gold is rejecting in the downside. So for today, what traders have to understand this: if this 2507 breaks and it moves above 20, stays above that, then we can easily target 2512. And if that breaks, then it will move up for once again for 2530 or above that. But in the downside, if 2500 breaks and it sustains below that, then we will be getting a selling confirmation for today, and we can sell in the downside. For how much it will go into the downside, we will again draw the Fibonacci retracement level, as yesterday's low was 2485 and today's high was 25. So this is one wave. Okay, so we can easily see gold reaching till 2496 or 2493 level for today. And if this breaks, okay, then we can see a further downside movement if this range of 2496 to 2493 breaks. Okay, so we can see a further downside. So for today, what the sellers have to be sure is that gold breaking the 2493 level. If this breaks, that they can continue to sell in the downside, targeting 85 or 71. Okay, but if this does not break, then there will be again a buying opportunity from 93 or 92 area for the upside. So all the best traders, it will be a very simple day. You don't have to put lot of efforts. It will be very easy to understand the market. Thank you so much for your time. Have a nice day.